Today we'll be covering two topics, importing a file into Blender and working with empties, as well as how to manage them in relation to the layout. Let's dive right in. Importing a file is easy. To import a file, in our case a DXF file, go to File, Import, DXF, and select your file. You can also try importing other file types on your own. You can move anything anywhere in your DXF file, which can be done in two ways. Let's start with the first method. We'll move this robot as an example. If you're not familiar with adding empties and objects yet, I suggest you check our previous video entitled Basic Key for Blender for reference. First, click on your layout and press Tab to enter edit mode. I want to place the robot here, so I'll select two vertices of the circle on the opposite side to locate its center. Basically, if you select more than one, the system will find the center of those vertices. After selecting the vertices, press Alt+1. This command will automatically add an empty for you. You can scale this to your liking and adjust its properties on the right. You should see a yellow icon. Under the viewport display, there's an option for visibility. Finally, click on the robot, hold Ctrl, click the empty, and then press Shift+F. This will move your robot to the empty. You can also use Shift+W, which will add constraints to your robot, meaning it won't move unless you move the empty that you've added the constraints to. The second method is much simpler. You won't need an empty to move the robot. Click on your layout and enter Edit mode. Select vertices to define the center. Then press and hold Shift+S and choose Cursor to Selected. Go back to Object mode, select the empty for the robot, and press and hold Shift+S, then select Selection to Cursor. We also have a command for when you want to add robots to multiple points at once. Go to Edit mode in your layout. Place an empty in every area where you want a robot. Select all the empties, and lastly, select the robot. Note that the robot should be highlighted in yellow, indicating that it's the object you want to copy. After selecting, hit Ctrl-B on your keyboard. Remember to experiment with these tools to get comfortable with them, and check out our previous tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials.